Okay, so as we get started with the course, I want to talk about what's in the pen kit. If you got multiple pen kits in the wood for this course, we'll open up, this is the chrome kit. We open it up and here's the tip, and then here's the piece of wood that's going to go between the tip. And this is the transmission and the spring. So the spring's going to go on the front of the ink like that. The transmission will be the part that moves the pen in and out, and then the last part is the tip, or the nub. And so the pen kit essentially goes together like that. And we'll go into a lot more detail on it, but for now what we need to do is take the brass tube and work on it and get the wood cut and get it glued into the wood so we can turn it.